Apex predators are some of nature's most powerful creatures. They sit at the top of the food chain, influencing the balance of life across entire ecosystems. But their role goes far beyond hunting. Apex predators are what ecologists call ecosystem engineers. They shape and maintain the ecosystems they live in, directly and indirectly impacting countless species and natural processes. Today we'll uncover why these top predators are essential for ecological health, how they influence everything from plant life to prey populations, and why losing them could unravel entire ecosystems. Imagine a world without wolves, sharks, or big cats. What would change? For a long time, people believed removing apex predators from an ecosystem would allow other animals to flourish. However, research shows that top predators play irreplaceable roles in maintaining balance. Without them, ecosystems can spiral into chaos. Apex predators keep populations in check, prevent overgrazing, and contribute to biodiversity. In fact, ecosystems with a healthy predator presence are more resilient, stable, and diverse. Apex predators are often described as ecosystem engineers because their actions create and shape the habitats around them. Take wolves, for example. When wolves were reintroduced to Yellowstone National Park after a 70-year absence, they drastically altered the landscape. By controlling elk populations, wolves reduced overgrazing along riverbanks, allowing vegetation like willows and aspen to grow back. This recovery brought back beavers, birds, and even insects that had lost their habitats. Similarly, large predators in the ocean like sharks maintain the health of coral reefs by controlling populations of fish that might otherwise consume too much algae-eating prey. Apex predators don't just live in an ecosystem, they actively shape it. A unique and powerful effect created by apex predators is the landscape of fear. When predators are present, prey animals naturally change their behaviors to avoid danger, often limiting how long they spend in exposed or vulnerable areas. For instance, deer or elk tend to avoid riverbanks or open meadows when wolves are nearby, as these spots make them easy targets. This cautious grazing pattern prevents overgrazing in sensitive areas like riverbanks, allowing plants and trees to flourish. This behavior-driven change helps prevent erosion, stabilizes soil, and allows plant life to regenerate, which in turn supports a whole network of species. By instilling a sense of caution in prey, apex predators help maintain the landscape, ensuring that habitats can sustain diverse forms of life. Apex predators also contribute to prey health by naturally managing their numbers. They often hunt the weakest or sickest individuals, leaving behind a stronger and healthier prey population. This selective pressure keeps prey species from growing too numerous, which could lead to overgrazing, habitat depletion, and disease. Without predators, prey populations can explode, leading to food shortages and even starvation. When apex predators control these populations, food resources remain abundant, allowing prey species to survive in sustainable numbers. By balancing the ecosystem in this way, apex predators ensure their own survival and that of countless other species. Their presence supports diverse ecosystems by preventing a single species from dominating. For example, without big cats, certain herbivores could overpopulate and strip vegetation, harming other animals that depend on that habitat. Similarly, without sharks, coral reefs suffer as fish populations change, leading to imbalances that disrupt the entire underwater ecosystem. Biodiversity, which is crucial for ecosystem resilience, thrives under the watchful eye of apex predators. But there's one apex predator whose impact is anything but balanced: humans. Unlike natural apex predators, we tend to exploit ecosystems without giving back. Overfishing, hunting, habitat destruction, and pollution have disrupted the very ecosystems that we too rely on. As we remove natural apex predators from ecosystems, we often become the replacement, but without the natural checks and balances that keep ecosystems healthy. Humans' role as apex predators has led to species extinctions and a decline in biodiversity on an unprecedented scale. Unlike other apex predators, humans don't contribute positively to ecosystem stability. Rather, we disrupt it, often irrevocably. Restoring natural predator populations and protecting them can allow ecosystems to self-regulate, reducing the need for human intervention and promoting resilience against environmental change. Rewilding is a conservation strategy that aims to restore ecosystems by reintroducing apex predators. Across Europe, bison are being reintroduced to bring back grassland habitats, and in Africa, big cat populations are carefully managed to restore balance to savanna ecosystems. By reintroducing or protecting apex predators, we're allowing nature to heal itself. While rewilding is not without challenges, it's a promising solution to restore ecosystems and combat biodiversity loss. Protecting apex predators is a key part of these efforts, as they are nature's most effective managers of the ecosystems they inhabit. Rewilding shows us that, with a little help, ecosystems have an incredible capacity to rebound. Apex predators are more than just powerful animals. They are guardians of balance, engineers of their ecosystems, and protectors of biodiversity. Their presence strengthens ecosystems, helping them withstand challenges and adapt to change. As we look to the future, understanding and protecting these animals is essential, not only for their survival, but for the health of the planet as a whole. Thank you for joining us in exploring the vital role of apex predators. If you enjoyed this journey through the wild, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us again as we uncover more about the fascinating world of nature. Until next time.